What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm gonna do a quick video showing you guys how to fix a very common problem as your vehicle gets older, and that is a broken bleeder port, or overall just a broken heater hose connection on G37s or 370Zs. This will apply to 350Zs, G35s, pretty much all the platforms out there. So from stock, you're gonna have a stock plastic OEM port similar to this. If you have a G37, you won't have the bleeder on top, and it'll just be like a straight through fitting. But it's made out of plastic, and over time that gets brittle, and then just randomly one day you're gonna be like this G37 behind me, and you're gonna start to overheat, and that's because the bleeder port actually broke. So the coolant leaked out. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to fix that. Fairly simple to do, and it's a very good preventative maintenance that you guys should get out of the way before you get stranded. So in order to make this easier for us to remove, I'm going to remove the engine cover here off. So these should be 10 millimeters. Alright, and the problem that we are running into is in the back here. This is actually a new port that you just installed, right? He just installed it like a few days ago and it still broke. So it's better to just replace this with the metal one like how we have right here, so that we never run into this issue again. So all you gotta do is unclamp it from right here. I would replace these clamps with different ones because sometimes these don't clamp down tight enough. So go ahead and unclamp these connections and remove the plastic OEM port there.
Now before you do this, you want to make sure that you remove the coolant from your vehicle. This vehicle obviously does not have any coolant in the system because it just leaked it all out.
So this is where you're going to use long needle nose pliers. Go ahead and clamp down on the clamp and remove it. So we have the clamps off. Now the difficult part when you're doing this job is getting these plastic inserts out. If you have the OEM one, it's going to be very difficult. So what I recommend is to just crush the plastic with some pair of pliers and remove the pieces little by little. That's going to be the easiest way instead of trying to get the entire piece out. So that worked out pretty good. As you can see, we just kind of broke it apart and the little pieces came out. But now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and install the metal one that also allows us to have a bleeder. So when we do this, it's going to be easier to remove the air out of the cooling system. So pretty self-explanatory. Just go ahead and put this back in there. I would not recommend using these clamps. Get other clamps, screw-on clamps, and make sure these are tight. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on there right now, and we're going to go ahead and fill the car with coolant and bleed it. So once you bleed your coolant, you should see coolant coming out of the port over here. I already went ahead and did that off camera, but you want to make sure that your hoses are nice and hot, especially the one that leaves the thermostat, so that we can confirm that all the air has left the cooling system. But that's pretty much it. That's how you do it. It's not too difficult, and pretty much anybody can do it.
That's all that I have for you guys in today's video. I hope you guys found it entertaining. Make sure that you guys do this as preventative maintenance so that in the future you guys won't run into any issues with overheating. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I'll see you guys all soon.